This is the unboxing of the Beyond the Gates of Antares Isorian Senatex Phase Squad. They've got a great history. This bag is a little ripped. Hope no one stole one of my soldiers. Okay. It's easier to do one-handed. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Looks like there's work to do. Making me punch out my bases. The other one didn't make me do that. Why are you making me punch out my bases? Okay. Just want to make sure I don't lose anything in the box. It's just cardboard. All this goes into the battle, but I'll figure it out. Empty box. Okay. All we're left with is the good stuff. Thank you, Tina C. I appreciate your efforts. I have to take a break to use scissors. I'm sorry. Wait a second, I don't need scissors. Yes. Look at that, Mom, no scissors. I got a piece of plastic here. Some foam. This is nice. Look at it sparkle. These guys got no heads. They got no heads. The other package I had, what? The stamp is different on the bottom than the other one. In my other package, the heads were attached. They must have optional heads. What the? Oh, I think this is a drone or something. What is this? Okay, these are the heads, so you can choose what kind of head you want. Either a human head or helmet alien-looking head. Yeah, so only one shows the face, and the rest are just helmet heads. So I mean, really, it's not like you got a lot of options here. They're pretty much all helmet heads. All right, that's everything. Have fun with this thing.